Every website is prone to attack or vulnerabilities. You could lose important data that could break your business completely. Hence, the best way to avoid this is to make a backup of the data. In this video, we will see the 10 best WordPress backup plugins to secure your data. If you are not making a backup of your data, you can choose any one of these plugins to make one. The first one in the list is the Updraft Plus WordPress Backup plugin. This plugin is the most popular plugin for WordPress backups. Its popularity stands tall because of the amazing features it offers. The plugin backups your data as well as the database in cloud platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Updraft Vault, email, and so on. It also provides a restore feature to restore your backup data, and provides automatic backup schedules, which are essential for a backup plugin. If you are looking for more features, you can opt for the premium version, which has features like incremental backups, which backups only the last changes, hence, saving your server resources, more cloud storage platform support, site migration, restoring backups from other plugins, multi-site support, and much more. The second plugin in the list is the Jetpack by WordPress.com. Jetpack is an ideal pack for website security and maintenance. From backups, migration, spam protection, to more essential security tools are offered by the plugin. Although there is a free version available, the backup feature is a paid module, and you need to have an account with WordPress.com to use this service. When it comes to backups, you can backup your data daily or in real time, have a 30-day or unlimited backup archive, and unlimited backup storage size depending on the subscription plan you choose. If yours is a personal site or a blog, a preferred Jetpack plan that you can use is the personal plan. You will get automatic daily backup, 30-day archive, unlimited storage, spam filtering and great support with this plan. However, if you are running a busy WooCommerce store, you may want to opt for the professional plan. It offers automated real-time backups with unlimited storage and backup archive. If you have product additions and updates many times a day, this plan would make more sense to you. The third backup plugin is the Duplicator. Duplicator is primarily a site migration plugin, but it is widely used for manual site backup as well. With the help of this plugin, you can manually backup your entire WordPress site or parts of it. If you want to get advanced features like scheduled backup, you might have to purchase the Pro version. You will also get the choice to backup in one of the cloud storage services like Dropbox, Amazon S3, Google Drive, etc. The fourth plugin on the list is the BackupBuddy. BackupBuddy is a great premium option to backup your WordPress site. It will protect your site data from several threats like malware, hacking, server crashing, bad commands, etc. This plugin helps to backup your entire site including WordPress files and the database. The whole process is quite simplified with this plugin. Once you install the plugin, run a complete backup of your WordPress site. You can download the backup zip file after this. If you want to run scheduled, automatic backups, you can set it up in the plugin settings. Furthermore, you can set up real-time backups, if you enable StashLive. The remote storage locations where you can save your backup files include BackupBuddy Stash, Amazon S3, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Also, you will get email notifications whenever the plugin completes an operation. The fifth backup plugin is the BackupBuddy. This free plugin helps you to save your complete WordPress installation and store it in a remote location such as Dropbox, Amazon S3, etc. Once you have the backup zip file, you can easily restore an installation. With the Pro version you will get complete database backup, a list of installed plugins, WordPress XML export, log reports via email and much more. The sixth one on the list is the Backup WordPress plugin. You can use this plugin to backup your entire site along with the database. Backup WordPress also supports scheduled backups, and you can exclude specific files and folders from the backup schedule. It is quite easy to use with no specific setting up process. It works well with all hosting plans including the shared environments. You will be able to handle multiple backup schedules at a time and can send off these to your email address. The seventh plugin is the all-in-one migration plugin. Apart from exporting and importing the website database, media files, etc., you can make a backup of the site in a few simple steps. The plugin also handles the serialization problems properly that occurs due to the export or import process. The plugin supports a majority of the cloud platform for storage, and is compatible with most of the hosting service providers. The eighth plugin on the list is the WordPress Backup Plugin by BoldGrid. This free plugin offers automated backups, fault protection, and site migration. The premium version also includes individual file restorations from the backup, restoring the previous version of a file, and more cloud storage options. You can check out the comparison of free and premium versions to choose the right business solution. The ninth plugin is the Backup and Staging by WP Time Capsule. This free plugin offers real-time backup of your data and allows you to easily revert back to the previous state if something goes wrong. The plugin also offers automatic backup, migration, and security tools. The plugin also offers incremental backups, encrypted database backups, and restoration of a file from any point of time. The 10th and the last plugin on the list is the Blog Vault Backups. This solution offers backup, restoration, staging, migration, as well as WooCommerce backups. When it comes to your WordPress site, you can backup all WordPress data like plugin, posts, pages, theme files, widgets, media files, and so on. If you have a WooCommerce store, you can backup WooCommerce orders and real-time data from the store easily. Hence, these are the best WordPress plugins to secure your data. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Go follow us on our social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials related to WordPress and WooCommerce.